Hi friends, this is Revision Cloud family matrix detail item template open and how can able to create this revision cloud for the one of the family creation. This is for the width or length we are giving and set the parameter setting also, but we don't use in 3D model view. That's why this is all annotation template for the matrix detail item templates. We are using only 2D plan because the Revit family is the using the revision cloud in the 2D is a better for us. Step by step I can provide the detail in how to create the revision cloud family and use the formula also parameter setting. Don't skip the video, you can follow the full video. You can able to create the in your own project also this revision cloud families. This is a main family for the revision cloud. That's why I can create the first of all. After that I one of the next family for the arc creation. That same template matrix detail item template I can open and create the one arc. Again I load the arc in revision cloud family. In my reference I can shown in 200 arc distance end to end, height is 100. If you need the more value you can create your own idea, but its procedure is the same. Revision cloud family creation, follow this same method. You can also able to do this family creation. Now this arc is ready. Save this family. After that you can load that another main family. Load into project. See, arc is coming. This is a family name, revision cloud. This all four side is arc using. We are using the arc full in array command, and after that we can use the array command in setting also a parameter. See, into to end I can copy to paste array, select the array dimension, give the parameter setting, add parameter runner with a. This same like we are did the 4 direction, both runner width, both is runner length AB. This four side we can align and properly lock the baseline. Using the array command, again select the dimension and give the add parameter runner width b. Now is length. Length A opposite length B. You can see now this is a parameter setting is arrangement is completed. Now I can do the formula setting. Length width, runner length B, runner width A, runner width B. How can the control via formula? This 200 I can give the 200 value, that is a arc distance end to end. That's why this formula is over. Apply OK. Automatically coming full rectangle view for revision cloud. This arrangement is uneven. Now we are aligned, and last point we can lock the arc. Next time you are giving the value is automatically coming properly. You can check now, automatically reducing. This is a single arc. Before I can create the multiple arc because it's a little bit thick for our revision cloud. That's why I can make the 2 more arc again. Now you can load the family, override, see that now is arc is thick, before is a thin line. That's why I can create again thick arc. Now I need one arrow mark. That's why I can save as the family, arc family. I can create the arrow because revision cloud we want to give the proper name. First of all we want to cloud the variable correction. After that you want to give the one name. What the reason of changes this area? That's why we need one arrow mark in revision cloud. In my reference I can create the small arrow mark. If you need the big size you can able to create the same procedure, but you create the separate family and then load the main family. That is a better for us. Load into project, place the which area you need it, the arc. See, I can place it here. I want to open the one of arc in last side. I again click the runner with A, add parameter. I want to give another name for with C, because I want to minus one arc there. That's why I can create the rename also. Runner A also is there. See, runner with C also is there. I can copy the runner A. I can put the runner C minus 1. Automatically is gone one arc. See the revision cloud arrow mark, one arc is minus. So you can able to arrange the arc in proper way. Put it a little bit down is much better for us. Align the base line also. Align and lock. Now I can adjust it. The revision cloud is ready. You can adjust the value, distance, width is properly reducing, properly increasing. Now you can load the family in your own project. I can load my small project in on electrical. In my reference I can load my family and check the properly are coming or not. Is loaded already, is done. I can create the revision cloud family. After that I can load the project, is properly working. I want to change these colors also. I can use the filter setting. After that this color also is changing. I can use the filter setting now. you can tick the detail item because you want to create the detail item family. That's why here also you want to tick. Other tick also you can able to control untick. Commands contain, you can give the name. Add the revision cloud, give the colors. After that OK. Now is color also changing the select and change the commands. Now is color is coming. So you can able to create one family in revision cloud, that matrix detail item family template. So after that I can use the my small project in Revit is easily loaded and use the wherever we are changing the service, we can use this revision cloud family. After that we can able to give the name also, why we are changing the services. That's why I can use this revision cloud for the family. So you also create in your own project in the family revision cloud. Easily you can learn the family creation also. See my all videos and don't skip the video. You can watch full and subscribe. You can easily able to create the family also. Support us, subscribe my videos, keep on watch.